wonderful gathering on Plan to Win. Okay, super. So, welcome Archana, welcome Uma, welcome Amit, welcome Seema, welcome Anuradha. So, let me tell you, Anuradha was the first one to join. Welcome Deep, welcome Dr. Meeta, welcome Gitanjali, welcome Kavita, welcome Nidhi, welcome Nilanshu, welcome Redmi. Okay, so I want you to rename yourself so that I can actually call you by the name that you are. Then welcome, yes, welcome Shankar, welcome Siddharth, welcome Sonika, and once again, I welcome each one of you on this Sunday morning. It really, I feel like saluting you people on a Sunday morning. There are so many things you could have been doing. You could have been just lazing around, but you got up. People have gotten up, done their workout, done their pranayam, done their affirmations, and also contributed to the family. So thank you, and we are going to complete this exactly in 1 hour. I want to know how many of you here for the first time. Please put in the chat FT if you're for the first time. Okay, so I can see Hemangi is for the first time. Yeah. Yes, very good. Thank you, Hemangi. So put FT, that is first time. Kavita is for the first time. Super. Deep is for the first time, and Anuradha is for the first time. Okay, perfect. So if you were the first time, also please tell us who has told you, who has got you here, whom do you know from this Plan to Win community that you have been inspired and you want to know क्या रहा है इन लोगों के साथ, ये इतने ग्लो कर रहे हैं, इतने खुश लग रहे हैं, क्या रहा है इनके साथ. Yeah, please put the name of the person who recommended you into this or whom you saw and you asked them, I want to know about this. Okay, where Hemangi was invited by Vikas. Perfect. Hemangi, are you a part of visualization team as well?
No.
You are not. So I really recommend you to, take the contact, the joining details from Vikas and join the visualization, which is like, hukum ka ikka. Right? Do you agree with me, guys? Put agree. Visualization is a hukum ka ikka Plan to Win. लोग सिर्फ सुबह आते हैं 15 मिनट बैठते हैं अपने गोल पे फोकस करते हैं विजुअलाइज करते हैं and they are actually making things move. So Gitanjali has invited Deep. Yeah, who else has invited you? I want to know. Okay, Meeta is saying that all platform, many people have invited. Is it that? I did not get that. Anuradha was invited by Nilanshu. Okay, Nilanshu from Landmark Transformers Group. Perfect. Okay, तो मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ ना, ये लैंडमार्क का प्रोग्राम नहीं है, मगर लैंडमार्क वाले जो है वो इस प्रोग्राम में है. So there are people who have done the courses in Landmark and they are here in this program apparently, and there are many people who have not done the Landmark trainings and still they are there. So this is not a program that if you do a Landmark program, you come here. But of course, if you do a Landmark program and you're here, you are going to be, like very quickly you can get certain things, because there are certain conversations which we do straight come from there. But if you don't know anything about Landmark, no problem. This is absolutely a space for everyone. Wonderful. So once again, we are discussing something. Want to know from you, आप यहाँ पे क्या, what is it that you are here to find out? So some people are completely in love with the work that we are doing. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आज आपका intention क्या है? Of course, I have shared that हम लोगों ने ना, जो लोग हम लोग already यहाँ पे काम करें, हम लोग ने एक जिनी, हम सबको एक जिनी चाहिए होती है ना, एक सी जिनी हो ना कि मैं उसको बोलूं कि मेरा नाश्ता बना देगी तो वो बना देगी, वो मुझे यहाँ पे इससे बात करनी है, उससे मिलना है, वो मुझे वहां पे लेके जाएगी, something like that. Okay, Himangi, wonderful. You are absolutely a clean slate, perfect place to start. तो हम लोगों को एक जिनी हमेशा चाहिए होती. कितने लोगों को जिनी चाहिए जो अपना काम easily हो जाए? How many of you want जिनी? I'm not sure if pronouncing it correct. How many of you want a genie in their life? टाइप मी इफ यू वांट टू नो अ जिनी, कि मुझे एक जिनी चाहिए. Yes, we all want a genie. और जो हमारे लीडर्स जो हमारे साथ लास्ट 4 महीने से हैं या 1 महीने से, उन्होंने देखा है कि उन्होंने वो जिनी को खुद में ही, they have identified the genie is inside them. Okay? अरे इसमें क्या बड़ी बात है, अभी ये हम लोगों को ही सब करना है, तो जीनी का क्या काम है. But knowing that you have the power, okay, is actually better than when the genie is sleeping inside you. Do you agree? Awakening the genie is what we have done, or we are into the process of awakening the genie. Some of you थोड़ी सी जग गई है, थोड़ा एक्शन हो रहा है, but do you think that is effortless now than before to do things? For those people who are with me already, कि ऑलरेडी आपने धीरे करके यू हैव गॉट एन एक्सेस कि हाँ मेरे में वो पावर है, मैं सुबह कुछ बोलती हूँ और वो हो जाता है, क्रिएटिंग लव इन affinity in the family. Okay, yeah, as simple as that. Nazar, I don't think Nazar is there today, but
Very much, very much.
Sorry, Nazar is
He's
there.
there. He's there.
Yeah, I'm very much.
Yes, yes.
Nazar. So would you like to share that what are the actions that you are taking? I mean, very briefly, I want you to talk about your webinar. Has it been progressing? What is it? How has it been created?
Yeah, so since last 1 year, I'm in one business coaching, very professional. He teaching me from 1 year, and he's always telling me to do some webinar. So after coming in this plan to win, I'm like an undisciplined person. Basically, being an actor, कभी भी उठो मूड हुआ तो ये करो वो करो, that sort of stuff. But now in this plan to win, when I come, I realize that it is, though I'm to-do list, I'm not completing, but still I'm there. I'm doing some few things. So it is a great improvement. So I got that thing, like, the space is so great. Darshana, I really salute you for that, for creating this group, because GK, great leader, and all my teammates are really, so they create atmosphere, you can get a space where I can feel comfortable and I feel that I can grow. Like it's altogether a different field for me to go for mindset training as a mindset coach and trainer. So this is something new thing, and I'm an actor, director. So I'm going to this place, and the space is really so great that it is really provided me full support, and I feel comfort. I feel like someone is there, to take care of me.
Absolutely.
So that's what I expect.
So Nazar, you have been into this training with somebody from how much time? How many? Or you've been wanting to in the coaching? ये जो कोचिंग का आप करने का सोच रहे हो, कितने साल से कर रहे हो ये? 1 साल 2 साल?
नहीं, ये अभी 6-8 महीने से सोचना शुरू किया था. मैं ऐसा मैं कोच वैसे ही कर रहा था, साइकोथेरेपिस्ट में काउंसलिंग भी दे रहा था, बट मैं कभी चार्ज नहीं करता था, इट्स लाइक अ फ्रेंडली थिंग. बट नाउ आई एम कमिंग अप विद अ प्रोफेशनल वर्क. So because I got a very international coach, business coach with me, so he gave me all the support. But here, the discipline sort of thing, I tried there. So that is there. So I अपने आप को मैंने यहाँ डिसिप्लिन करता हुआ पाया हूँ बहुत.
और ये एक बहुत बढ़िया बात है, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी कि नजर जब अपने ये डिसिप्लिन या स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में शेयर करता है, तो उसके कलीग्स इंस्पायर होकर बोलते हैं हाँ मैं भी ये करना चाहती हूँ. ओके, सो दिस इज अ स्पेस, ऑल ऑफ यू नो, जो नए आए उनके लिए बताती हूँ कि हम लोग एक स्ट्रक्चर में काम करते हैं. उसकी वजह से क्या हो जाता है कि जब नजर कोई एक्शन ले रहा है और मैं देखती हूँ कि अरे यार मेरी भी लाइफ में ये आ सकता है, बिकॉज सी अल्टीमेटली देयर आर लाइक 10-15 थिंग्स वी नीड टू डू टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल. डू यू अग्री? वो 10-15 चीजें ही करते हैं सब लोग. Keeping your word, declaring what you want to do, having empowering conversations, right? Making a list of things that you want to do, what have you accomplished, कहाँ barriers है, यही चीजें सब लोग करते हैं ना. रिव्यू लेना. Do you agree with me? These are the things by and large people are doing. उससे ज्यादा तो कुछ नहीं होता है. वही 10-15 चीजें हैं. अभी वही 10-15 चीजों में से 2-3 चीजें जब यहाँ पे बोली जाती है और आप उसको कैच करते हो, अरे हाँ ना मैं भी डिक्लेयर करूंगी, चलो मैं भी डिक्लेयर करती हूँ. हम लोग, मैंने और जीके ने, हमने डिक्लेयर किया है 2026 में हम लोग कुछ क्रिएट करें. 2026 में, बाय द वे, ओके, हमारा पर्सनल गोल है. बट व्हाट डिक्लेरेशन में होता है कि हाँ 2026 में वी आर गोइंग टू हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ फिटनेस एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी टर्निंग दिस एज एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस. तो ये क्या बोल रही है, कम्युनिटी नहीं होगी तो मैं किससे बात करूंगी? डू यू एग्री विथ मी गाइस? अगर मेरे पास कम्युनिटी नहीं है जो ये सारा चीज मुझे डिस्कस करने के लिए, जैसे घर पे हम लोग ये बात कर सकते हैं कि बताओ मुझे जल्दी. Okay, Balbir ji cannot hear me, so maybe it's possible that you can just leave and come back, Balbir ji. Yes, thank you so much. So क्या होता है ना कि हम घर में ये बातें नहीं कर सकते. ऐसे नहीं कि घर वाले हमसे प्यार नहीं करते हैं, बट उनके अपना वो स्ट्रक्चर नहीं वहां पे जो मैं किसी को बोलूं, यू नो व्हाट, मैं ना नेक्स्ट ये मंथ में ना मैं सोचती हूँ कि मैंने 100 किलोमीटर्स का वॉक करूंगी, है ना. एवरी डे आई एम गोइंग टू डू 3 किलोमीटर्स. एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ. मैं कहा हाँ ठीक है ना, सो व्हाट. नाउ इफ आई से दैट, बलबीर जी में से कि लाइक ओके मैं भी कर सकता हूँ क्या, कितना होगा दर्शना, कैसे करेगी, कितने बजे करेंगे क्या. सो दिस इज द स्पेस, रीडिंग अ बुक, a lot of things. So अभी ना जल्दी से before I actually move on to what I want to do, मैं आज ना आपको पहले तो मैं आपको बताऊं मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. हम लोग का ये प्लान टू विन 5.0 के फीचर्स एंड स्ट्रक्चर्स के बारे में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ. उसके पहले ना मैं अभी आपको जल्दी से एक एक्टिविटी दूंगी. एक शॉर्ट टर्म गोल लिखिए. आई नो आपने बहुत सारे गोल्स लिखे हैं. कभी कभी हम लोग को गोल्स को रिव्यू करना होता है ना. हम लोगों को ना हम गोल ले लेते हैं कि ओके आई वांट टू लूज 10 kg, और मैं गोल लेती हूँ कि नो आई वांट टू क्लाइम माउंट एवरेस्ट. बट मुझे लगता है कि हाँ यार मैंने ये जो गोल लिया ना उसको थोड़ा सा मुझे अभी रिव्यू करना चाहिए. तो एक शॉर्ट टर्म गोल लिखिए जो आप कमिंग 3 months में अकम्प्लिश करना चाहती हो. ओके, और एक्चुअली ना ये आपको मॉनिटरी गोल भी हो सकता है, रिलेशनशिप गोल हो सकता है, फिटनेस गोल हो सकता है, इंटेलेक्चुअल गोल भी हो सकता है कि कोई कोर्स कंप्लीट करना है, यू नो समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, और ब्रिंगिंग इन लव एंड अफिनिटी इन द फैमिली, और यू नो एक्चुअली प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप. ओके, ऐसा कुछ भी. तो एक शॉर्ट टर्म गोल लिखिए जो 3 महीने में आप अकम्प्लिश करोगे, और एक लॉन्ग टर्म गोल लिखिए जो आप ना 3 साल 1 साल ऐसे में अकम्प्लिश करना चाहते हो. तो अभी के अभी एक पेन लीजिए और या फिर मोबाइल में लिख दीजिए फटाफट. शॉर्ट टर्म गोल विच कैन बी अकम्प्लिश्ड इन 2 or 3 months, and a long term goal which can be accomplished in a year or 2 year or 3 year or 4 year. But time bound होना चाहिए. Okay, you know the SMART goals. तो नए हैं उनके लिए आपका गोल ना सामने वाले को देख के तुरंत ऐसे हुआ या नहीं हुआ समझना चाहिए. What do you want to accomplish by what time? And also experience, and it is done. Like you know, I have started generating okay maybe 10 lakhs per month by December 2021, okay, in complete autopilot, okay, by doing what I love. okay, ये आप लिख सकते हो. मतलब फुलफिल्ड हो तो क्या लिखना है आपको, क्या करने वाले हो चुका है, टाइम कब तक हो गया है, और क्या फीलिंग है आपकी उसके लिए. Very good, Reena. So she has written that she wants to hold her solo. So ऐसे लिखिए, I have held my solo exhibition, okay, by Diwali. In this year Diwali or in Diwali, okay, and I'm completely, you know, excited or happy or you know joyous or whatever word, you know, I'm like falling short of words. Jiki, you can give a demonstration of that in the chat if possible. You are very good at words. So many of you must be. And Sunika ji, आप भी अपना गोल एक्सप्रेस करिए, टाइम लिखिए और आपकी फीलिंग्स भी लिखिए, और वो हो चुका है. I have visited Nidhi. I have visited my parents this Diwali. Okay, and spending such a joy, such a wonderful, you know, happy, fulfilled. You know क्या बोलते हैं उसको, time with them. Okay, wonderful, Nikita. Welcome. She has completed a portion. By what time, Nikita? No, completed your portion. And मुझे लगता है मुझे short term goal चाहिए. Wow, Himangi, I love this. 90 days goal है. She has earned 3 lakhs. Okay, 3 lakhs. Okay, and 2022 तक she has set her office, immigration office. This is what it is. थोड़ा सा उसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे करेंगे, क्लीन करने बाद में अच्छे से और नीट कर सकते हैं. Okay, गीतांजलि लिखा है she has impacted 1 million artisans directly indirectly by 2025. गीतांजलि एक शॉर्ट टर्म गोल भी दो ना. ओके, वेल सेट. तो ऐसे वेल सेट की जगह पे लिखना 200 फॉलोवर्स, 500 फॉलोवर्स, ये लिखो. तो मुझे भी समझेगा वेल सेट का मतलब क्या है, वो डिफाइंड होता है ना वैसे। 3 months financial independence, start working in my office. Okay. अभी ना सीमा 3 month में फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंट होना और थोड़ा टेंजिबल नहीं लग रहा, तो उससे चीटिंग से जनरेटेड इनकम 3 months have generated like a consistent income of like 50,000, 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh per month. Okay. Okay. Yes, perfect. तो ना और उसकी फीलिंग भी लिखी है. I am super happy, thrilled, excited, top of the world that I have started doing this, like that. Okay, perfect. So this is what I wanted you to do is that एक short term goal लिख लिया, एक long term goal लिख लिया. हम लोगों को ना हम लोग goals पे काम करने वाले, but actually कभी-कभी हम लोग को review भी करना चाहिए. तो मैं जल्दी से बताती हूँ product and features. I have 10 minutes, and then उसके बाद में we will go to the next section where we are going to talk about a very critical aspect Gitanjali is taking up, how to develop leadership. Many students go. So I am a teacher for those people who are new and don't know. I'm a teacher by profession. I don't actually, I nowadays don't call myself as a teacher, but I call myself as an academic coach. Okay, I have been a privilege to teach international students as well. So I am an academic coach. और मैं बच्चों को क्या बोलती हूँ ना कि आप में ना leadership होना बहुत जरूरी है. जैसे Nikita is one of my students. She is managing so many of groups, students, a lot of things. So leadership होगा, so you will always be able to, come out as a winner. Do you agree with that? Of course, we will not exploit under leadership. Actually, empower. Do you agree with me? How many of you agree with me? That leadership is the only skill that you require. Only single. एक चीज क्या है मेरे को winning के लिए leadership. Do you agree? मैं मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को बोलती तुमको क्या चाहिए बोलिए, क्या बनना है, बोलते मैम कुछ भी बनना है जिसमें बहुत सारे पैसे मिले. बहुत सारे पैसे मिले, तो पैसे मिले मगर अच्छी तरह से. आई वांट टू अर्न अ लॉट. ओके, ऐसे व्हाटएवर यू पानी पूरी की गाड़ी भी चालू करेगा ना बहुत वर्ल्ड क्लास, उसमें भी बहुत सारे पैसे मिलेंगे. इफ यू स्टार्ट सेलिंग वाटर ऑल्सो ना बहुत सारे पैसे मिलेंगे. सो इट्स अबाउट बीइंग अ लीडर हु इंस्पायर्स. Being a leader who inspires. Okay, don't you think that you can get abundance in your life by that one thing? Yeah, and a leader who inspires is the one who stands for the other. जब मैं मेरी बेटी के लिए स्टैंड लेती हूँ, मेरे हस्बैंड के लिए स्टैंड लेती हूँ, मेरे फ्रेंड्स के लिए स्टैंड लेती हूँ, मैं लीडर बन चुकी हूँ ऑलरेडी, isn't it? Okay, so features and structure. Thank you so much. So Rajlakshmi is also sending. Rajlakshmi का ना जो कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस है ना वो थोड़ा देखो एकदम और उसको कॉपी करो. शी इज सुपर. और सुपर लोगों को कॉपी करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यू कैन कॉपी एन एक्सपर्ट. डू यू एग्री विथ मी? सुपर डुपर जो है ना, जैसे उन लोगों को कॉपी कर सकते हैं. या ओके, परफेक्ट. All right. So Rajlakshmi, do we have this thing to copy? तो तेरा गोल कॉपी नहीं करेंगे, तेरे कंस्ट्रक्शन को हम लोग कॉपी करेंगे. Do we have the permission? Copyrighted है? Okay.
Yeah, most welcome.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so empowered community. Okay, last time I was saying that Plan to Win will help you overcome overwhelm. Yes, we do. Overcome overwhelm through an empowered community. What is your dream? I already asked you. It's not actually a dream, but a goal. Okay. So look at this community: abundance everywhere, prosperity everywhere, peace, calm, success is what looks like. I'm looking. I have a vision. All of us having such kind of a neighborhood. Okay, with our individual villas. Okay, how many of you are going to bless this vision of mine? How beautiful it will be. We're not only digitally together, but we are physically hanging around.
Awesome. All blessings.
कोई अपना नहीं है,
अच्छा.
किसी का
जो कभी सुना है किसी से, कोई मेरा मुझा तो रहता है.
Amit ji, please see that you guys are on mute. It is interesting actually to get a sneak peek into everybody's houses, but okay. So what are the features? The first feature is you get a visual of your goals on screen. हम लोग पेपर पे लिखते हैं, yes, ओके वो हमारा पेपर कहीं चला जाता है, कहीं है कहीं नहीं है, बट इन योर मोबाइल इन द डिजिटल फॉर्मेट यू गेट अ विजुअल ऑफ योर गोल्स. How do you do that? We have got goal sheets, okay, which we can review, we can, update, and you have a very tightly, clean, neat goal for us to see. So you have a visual of your goals on screen. I'm going to share all this with you and more. इसमें कुछ और चीजें ऐड होके मैं आपको इसका पूरा PDF शेयर करने वाली हूँ. But see that you are using it only for our community purpose only, okay? Maybe I will be taking questions. Is it okay? Can I just complete that? और एक काम करते आप क्वेश्चन पूछ लो फिर मैं कंटिन्यू करती हूँ. Yes, Nidhi. You have been raising your hand for some time. Yes, Nidhi, you have a question?
No, Darshana. I think
Okay.
that is my
That
mistake.
was a mistake. Okay, no problem. Okay, fine. So features of Plan to Win 5.0. First one is visual of your goals on screen. Second is personalized goal sheet. मतलब पहले तो आपको ना ये सारा जो एक डैशबोर्ड मिलेगा जिसके अंदर आपके पास एक गोल शीट होगी. ओके, गोल शीट के बाद में वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू, एक्चुअली मैं बताऊं ऑलरेडी अभी आपके पास एक गोल शीट है जिसके ऊपर आपने काम किया है या नहीं किया है. Okay, but we are going to ensure that you have your fully, actionable goal sheet ready. How many of you want कि अपना नाम लिखा होगा ऊपर, यहाँ ऊपर नाम लिखा होगा. Okay, we are not allowing annotation. I don't know, by mistake somebody is annotating. So can you okay, fine. I will just clear it up. Thank you. Just give me a minute, guys. By mistake somebody has annotated. Okay, just give me a second. So tell me, how will it feel if you have your name on the goal sheet? और ये आपका गोल होगा, आपकी सारी चीजें होंगी और हर एक के पास, we promise that everybody has their own goal sheet which is completely filled and it is audited. Okay, it is going to be looked into. Secondly, we are also promising that you will have a personalized measurement sheet. देखो अभी बस एक measurement sheet है इस time पे. Let me tell you, we were making you, we were training you and we were asking you to do it. अब क्या होने वाला है? Okay. So अब क्या होने वाला है कि we will ensure that आपकी measurement sheet regularly भरी हुई है. ये कैसे होगा? You will come to know right now. तो आपके पास एक dashboard होगा जिसके मतलब जिसके अंदर we will have your goal sheet which will be continuously regularly audited. We have personalized measurement to see that you are updating a personalized measurement sheet. We are given a fixed slot. Last time में क्या हुआ था? We were giving you whenever you want to do, but every Saturday we are fixed. Okay, every Saturday 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. everybody, all participants sit and complete their measurement. So we are not giving you any kind of डिस्काउंट क्या बोलते हैं ना उसको, मतलब फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं दे रहे. अभी हम लोग वी आर गेटिंग इनटू द रूथलेस कमिटमेंट स्पेस. ओके, प्लीज टाइप RC, ruthless commitment. Okay, guys, I would want you to now focus on this conversation of everybody and would want you to have complete focus on what's going on here. Thank you so much. Ruthless commitment, okay, that we will see that आपके goal sheets updated है, आपकी measurement sheet updated है. If you're not on mute, kindly go on mute please. Then we will be giving you weekly trainings. Already भी weekly trainings मिल रहे थे. इस बार की weekly trainings में हम देखेंगे कि आपकी goal sheet, measurement, to do list और जो भी extra techniques आपको लगेंगे and conversations. Yeah, in the weekly trainings we are going to have you trained into empowering conversations as well. So that is an additional thing that we are adding into our weekly training. So I'm going to add that here. Okay, we are going to train you. How many of you think that बातों से बहुत सारी काम हो जाते हैं? If you have a wonderful, powerful conversation with people, they can actually get enrolled to do whatever you want to be done in the business or in your teamwork. Yes, perfect. Thank you so much. So we are talking about the weekly trainings are on Sunday trainings. मुझे एक feedback मिला है कि Sunday trainings बहुत technically होती हैं और हम लोगों को कभी-कभी है ना, some people might find it little uncomfortable. Yes, तो हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to have you get technically sound as well. मतलब उसको भी हम लोग disregard नहीं कर रहे हैं, because some people don't want, get very intimidating and confronting है लोगों के लिए. But no, we will be using some part for technical training and some part for conversational training. Okay, and this conversational training access is what you share. To the next part is committed accountability, new feature guys थे into leadership और train कर रहे थे, and honestly let me tell you that we were helping you out, but things were not moving in the way that we wanted to be. तो अब क्या है, अब मैं भी एक few minutes में आपको बताऊंगी कि कैसे अकाउंटेबिलिटी होल्डर काम करेगा. तो आपको 2 कॉल्स होंगे, मिनिमम 2 कॉल्स होंगे. अगर जरूरत पड़ेगी तो रोज कॉल आएगा आपको, एक 5 to 10 मिनट्स कोचिंग कॉल या वेलबींग कॉल होगा, जिसमें आप अपने गोल की तरफ मूव हो रहे हो कि नहीं, ये आपको पूछा जाएगा. You get that? And it is not happening in the creation completion call. It's a separate call that happens with you, where you will be asked upon तुमने वो एक्शन लिए हैं या नहीं लिए हैं, या आपने ये गोल बोला है मगर आपके एक्शंस इनफ नहीं लग रहे हैं. ठीक है? सो दैट सैटरडे को जब आप अपना मेजरमेंट शीट भरते हो, गोल शीट अपडेट करते हो, डेक्लेरेशन माइलस्टोन्स को देखते हो, तो यू मस्ट हैव मूव्ड फॉरवर्ड 100%. दिस विल वर्क. डू यू एग्री? You have somebody asking you, like Seema, somebody asking you कि सीमा तुमने ये गोल बोला है, you want to start your office, तो तुम्हारी बात हुई है क्या? अभी कैसे चल रहा है? Have you found? Have you worked on the space? How is the seating going to be? ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस अगर आप पूछता है कोई 5 मिनट के लिए अपने को, तो लगता है अरे मुझे मेरी गोल के बारे में इतनी चिंता नहीं है, उसको मतलब नॉट ओनली मी बट उसको भी इतनी चिंता है. वाओ, आई वांट टू डू समथिंग. Let me find out कि is the workplace enough for me to immediately, is it ready enough? या मैं वो पूछे जाएंगे आपके गोल से. Perfect, thank you. जैसे बलबीर जी का अगर he wants to start a clinic, he wants to start an NGO, having conversations from that will be done minimum 2 times in a week. We can also do everyday calls in the beginning and then maybe taper it down. Depending upon what is your need, you can request your accountability holder to hold you for account. Okay. Then next feature, the 6th feature is you will have a committed buddy. Abhi committed buddy. Okay, the internet will be slightly unstable. Then I think it's okay now. So committed buddy और accountability holder में क्या difference हो सकता है? Let me know. Anybody want to unmute and speak? What do you think is the difference between? क्या ये दोनों same है? Accountability holder or committed buddy, are they same? If you want to answer, kindly raise your hand. Anybody?
Yes and no.
Yes, please.
Yes
Devangi.
Yeah, accountability.
Yes or
holder.
no? हाँ.
Can I talk? Internet
दोनों
is
same है
little-
कि different है?
They're
Yeah.
different.
From my side, they're different. Okay. How are they different?
Committed buddy pushes you to do the things, and accountability person is like the headmaster who pulls you up.
Okay, wonderful. And committed buddy जो है ना, it can be like somebody who can listen to you, who can अरे ये करके देख ऐसे. So accountability holder is mostly asking you questions and reminding you. Asking questions and reminding you. But committed buddy every day 15-minute well-being call होगा आपका. Okay, that can be flexible. Like for example, in 15 minutes, you're not going to hog in the entire time. You're going to have we are going to give you a structure for the committed colleague, committed buddy. उसमें से 5 minutes can be reviewing your action for the day. कि उसने कुछ create किया, मेरे buddy ने ये create किया, अच्छा. Asking questions from there. So you can have 5 minutes for having the complete looking at the creation of each other, and 5 minutes of what are you going to do, what may come in the way, what possibly you will have to do. Somebody has to push, the other person might say नहीं तू कर सकती है, ये करके देखना उसको, क्योंकि कभी कभी ना हम लोग प्रॉब्लम में रहते हैं, हम लोग को सिचुएशन में देख नहीं सकते बाहर वालों को, बहुत अच्छे से दिखता है। और ऐसे कभी कितनी बार होता है कि हमको दूसरे के प्रॉब्लम के सॉल्यूशंस तुरंत दिखते हैं, है ना, हमारे प्रॉब्लम के सॉल्यूशन हमको दिखते नहीं है. डू यू एग्री विद दैट? So committed buddy is going to give you that kind of perspective of an outsider looking at your problems. So is that cool? By design, we are giving you a 15-minute well-being call every day, and it's a well-being call. You know, just finding out कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, कि आज तेरे को ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, तेरी आवाज कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रही, whatever. It's going to be like that. Okay? Perfect. So that is going to be, and we are going to share a structure. Every call is going to have a structure. Even creation, completion calls, these calls, all that is going to be in a structure. और ये सारी information हम हमको देने वाले हैं, कैसे मैं आपको बताती हूँ जल्दी से. Weekly review of your progress every Saturday 9 PM to 9:30 PM. ये फिक्स है, हर एक को उस वक्त. देखो, आपको अगर ये goals accomplish करने, you have to bring discipline, you have to put things aside, and 9 PM to 9:30 PM you have to be there in the review. If you're not going to be there, you can write an email and tell us what is it that you're dealing with, and we can see how it can be done. So all super leaders can bring out, because we want to be very, 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 very ruthless in asking you for weekly review, because this is the access for you to see what is working, what is not working. Monthly review, about an hour or more on every last day of the month as a ritual. See, we want the participants to take this away in their life. Always. Yeah. So every last day of the month, you're spending minimum 1 hour of reviewing your progress for the month. Okay. And now I'm quickly going to tell you the committed colleague structure. So if you can see this, okay, plan to win में ना यहाँ पे 6 super leaders हैं who are going to take care of the of your accomplishment and all, and they are going to manage some participants. So super leaders, please go on mute if you are not on mute. हर एक super leader के पास 2 leader होंगे. So this is really thought, and it's not the same thing that we were doing earlier. Okay, there are a lot of conversations that super leaders are also going to be trained into, so that they get to, you know, can you just mute? I'll have to really go and mute everybody because background में आवाज आ रही है. No, sir, can you just mute yourself? Thank you. Yeah. So एक सुपर लीडर को 2 लीडर के साथ काम करना है, और हर एक लीडर जो है ना 3 पार्टिसिपेंट्स के साथ काम करेगा. मैं सोचती थी कि हर एक लीडर 2 पार्टिसिपेंट के साथ काम करना चाहिए, but you know, sometimes it is seen that if one person is not in the space or dealing with something, then वो अकेला हो जाता है बंदा. मगर 3 जन is the safe place कि एक बंदा out of space भी है, या कुछ हेल्थ की कंडीशन या कोई भी अदर वेकेशन या कोई भी चीज की वजह से excusing for few days, there will be at least 2 people to work with. तो यहाँ पे टोटल कितने सुपर लीडर्स हैं? 6. ठीक है. और आप सब लोग जो हमारे साथ लास्ट मंथ में पार्टिसिपेंट है, वो सब लीडर्स हैं. तो वी आर लुकिंग एट 12 लीडर्स. ओके. नाउ super leaders are trained into having that conversation with the leaders. Leaders will be trained, specifically trained into having conversations with the participants. And we are going to specially create a curriculum where you can use all the entire manual will be given to you. Look into the manual and coach your participants. Okay, this is going to be everything is going to be written down, everything is documented, and that's how Plan to Win 5.0 is special. Okay, fine. So everything is documented, and that is how Plan to Win 5.0 is special, because I think I lost internet for a little while. Okay, cool. So there is a full community that we are working together with. Okay. And any questions? Okay. The most important part. We are giving you a personal opportunity. Like Nazar, me, Sonia, यहाँ पे आपको बोलने के लिए going to have a center where there are only from you people. क्या है? Sonika, Uma, you know, they want to know. मुझे ये नहीं मिल सकता. So we are going to meet you from Monday to Friday from 9 to 13 August, and more than 2-3 gathering. So people there will be talking in asking you what do you want.
Your voice is not clearly coming.
Her network is not proper, so she'll just come back. Please wait. And Darshana will be back. So by the time, yeah, Darshana is back here.
I'm back. Okay, just one complete this. तो पर्सनलाइज्ड कॉल के लिए आप जो अपने स्लॉट्स है वो बुक करिए हमारे साथ, so that we can really listen to your concerns and you to get you through. Okay, perfect. Now I hand over the platform to Gitanjali. Gitanjali is going to give you an insight into what will have values you want to see and also the leadership opportunities that you have. Over to you, Gitanjali.
Thank you, Darshana. Just give me screen sharing rights. Good morning, everyone. Good morning at 11:40. We have 15 minutes to create something special with you. And I want you to take back something from this session. Of course, you are going to know features. You all wanted to know features to make sure all your amazing family members and all are part of the next session. But besides that, see what you can take back. Yeah, Darshana, can you enable me to share? So as you know, we all know about the, what outcome we want to create with Plan to Win. Darshana, I'm not able to share the screen.
I think already. Oh, sorry, it didn't happen.
Wow.
Okay, I'm unable to allow screen share, but I'll make you the host, Gitanjali. You're the host now.
Thank you. So here we are again. Can you see my screen?
It's coming up.
Yeah. So let me quickly create the possibility and outcome. Plan to Win, possibility and outcome, you all know, but I'm reiterating. We are in the possibility of being accomplished. And our outcome is abundance with full self-expression and freedom. But going forward, how do we do this? How do we create a momentum in our lives wherever we are? This structure like Plan to Win, Darshana, thank you for explaining it so beautifully, so many new features. But let me go to, can you see this? Can you see my screen properly? Please type in the chat box.
Yes, Gitanjali, we can see your screen. You can just continue.
Yeah, so do you know what is the origin of the word leadership? I'm going to create what is leadership? What is it that moves you towards your goal? Yeah, so the word leadership comes from, I've written it here, lead. So what do you know that the person who was lead, his name was, he was supposed to be a person who carried the flag in front of the army going into the battle and usually died in the first enemy attack. So can you see the origin of the word leadership? And it's an Indian Indo-European origin, but it really brings me to the fact that leadership to me is just a leap of faith. It is a leap of faith. So guys, are you prepared to be leaders in life? Then take a leap of faith, believe, and be 100% in it. And who are leaders? Leaders are people who will transform themselves. Are you waiting for somebody else to come and shake you up? No, you've got to take that leap of faith. Who will transform themselves? You. Who is in the driver's seat? A leader is in the driver's seat. Who is a leader? He's an owner. Who is a leader? He is a responsible owner. He takes responsibility. If there is a breakdown here, I take responsibility for that breakdown. What can I bring, being in the driver's seat, to create what I want in my life? So let me share that Plan to Win is something in your life, a structure which will enable you to be first in the driver's seat. So leadership is that magic formula. Do you all agree? So type yes in the chat box if you agree. Great. Now, how do we align ourselves to, where we want to grow? We all have our own goals. Of course, the space is to make sure your goals are achieved. But what is the bigger mission? What is the bigger mission? What does a mission and vision do? Mission and vision will align you. It will align you to a larger goal within which we operate. And next, I'm going to come to values. What are values and why are they important? Values can be individual, and individual values reflect how you show up in your life and your specific needs. Your own interest, what you consider your own interest. Like, for example, enthusiasm, creativity, humility, personal self-fulfillment. Next, you have relationship values. Relationship values reflect how you relate to each other, how you relate to other people in your life. Can you please be on mute? I can hear Shakti's background. Thank you so much. Yeah. So then there are relationship values. That is what you consider and what they reflect how you relate to people in your life, whether they are friends, they are family, colleagues in organization. And for example, like relationship values will include openness, trust, generosity, or caring. And next, we have organizational values. A whole lot of us have organizations. A whole lot of us want to have organizations. What is an organization value? What is Plan to Win? It is literally an institution, an organization, right? Which drives you forward. And it has a common mission and vision. And I want you to be participative in today in saying, what would you like the organization value to be? Organization value reflect how your organization shows up and how that operates in the world. For example, somebody might want financial growth. So does your organization look for financial growth? Is it looking to improve teamwork, productivity, strategic alliances? And then there are societal values. How do you relate to the society at large? How do you want your society to be in the space in which you live? So organizational value also has a societal value. So with this, I have inducted values to you. And also now I would, at the end of this, I'd like to give you a link in the chat box where you can fill in your own values, how you'd like Plan to Win, what you'd like Plan to Win to be for you, right? And also to fill up on what the amazing structures that Darshana created. We also have things like in Plan to Win for your overall developing your leadership. We have sub groups like fitness, visualization, expert speaks, learning clubs. So these are the things which will develop a whole new persona of you, being a leader in every area. And you don't even know where you will show up. Like in, for example, Reena, Raji, Nazar, Shrikar, how they are showing up in different areas by just being present by participating in these clubs, these places. They are learning multiple things and they are being leaders. So here is an opportunity for you to get that. I would also like to share key, for example, like developing winning habits in Plan to Win 5. You can create different winning habits by working in an empowering space, showcasing your talents, declaring your milestones, sharing your breakthroughs and breakdowns. This is all Plan to Win is going to give you in many ways. And many more things, very micro, sukshma things that you realize yourself, and it will unfold. There are practical things like achieving the technology related goals. For example, somebody who does not know how to do a tech project or how to create just cards, whatever you want to learn, you have a possibility of being the driver to create that opportunity for you and others, which has been happening. So tech gives you that. The very important portion is fitness. Fitness gives you so every day we start our day with a happy song, and the moment our team puts on those happy songs, the whole day becomes in that system, in that possibility. You have yoga, pranayams, cardio sessions, Bollywood dance exercises, laughter challenges, and in you Plan to Win 5, we will even have live fitness sessions, more of live fitness sessions. We will have body strengthening home workouts, which we have, which we can create. We will also have fitness experts talks. So this is again like a little glimpse of what this new avatar or version of Plan to Win will get you. And I also want to thank each of you here, each of the current leaders in our batch 4, who have helped shape this entire module as per what they require, as per what you want. Now, also coming back to values, I'd like to ask you, what is the value which comes to mind when you hear Darshana, when you hear me, when you hear all the super leaders, Shalaka, Seema, Uma, Arun, Vikas, when you hear them, what comes to your mind, how this Plan to Win can be? So I'm giving you now an opportunity to be part and parcel of creating a collective organizational value. So let me give you a link. I will stop the share and give you a link in the chat box. Okay, now I want you to go to this link and fill in the words which come to your mind when you think of Plan to Win. Give it like a minute. Think and meditate. What words come to your mind as an organization when you think of this beautiful structure where you all will be part of? This is the time to create it. I'm going to do a live board here, which will show you as you enter these, it will start appearing on the screen. Here I go. So guys, have you gone to that link? Please click on that link and go to the link. And by magic, you will see something appearing. Yes, I can see a lot of things appearing. Thank you. So I'm sharing my.
Just one thing कि अगर आपको 5 words भी नहीं मिल रहे हैं तो 2-3 जितने words होते हैं ना, you can keep typing, ऐसा. मतलब 3 करो, 2 करो. Still it will come showing. So can you just share the screen? It's interesting. Wow.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, beautiful. Awesome. Keep going to that link and you can type more if you want. Okay.
Now, do you see the magic here? Whatever you type, if 2 people type honesty, honesty will become bigger. So this is a
commitment is becoming bigger. Can you see?
Everybody wants commitment. Yay. All right. We will make sure we include these values while creating values. All of the super leaders have already done their job, done homework every day. We have been meeting for 1.5 hours for a manthan of how this beautiful structure can evolve. And guys, we have been putting a lot of brain, heart, soul into it. And we want you to be complete part of it because it's only for you. It's not for us alone. We grow.
Meanwhile, I also want to ask a question to them. Are they able to reach to this place? Link खुल रही नहीं है तो बताओ chat पे बोलो. We will help you. Anybody wants any support in getting the link or whatever? Because we want everybody to see. आप हमारे साथ हो या नहीं हो, मगर आपको क्या लग रहा है? DK, can you just check with them कि वो लोगों को दिख रहा है कि नहीं? Are you able to access the link?
Reena says this is wow. So yes, people can see it. is anybody who cannot see it, because I'm assuming everyone can see it and are participating.
No, I mean वो लिंक पे जा सके हैं कि नहीं, मतलब are they able
तो
to
अगर
see
आप
it?
नहीं जा पा रहे हैं तो उसमें टाइप करिए कि आई एम हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम, सो वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ दैट.
Yes, perfect. Wow. GK, I would want to read एक एक करके read करो ना, कितना बढ़िया है.
Commitment is coming first. Love, look at love, integrity, honesty. Oh my God, this is awesome. I became honest for myself, making possible, being and creating leaders, mindful, enthusiastic, happiness, fulfilling goals, achievable, unstoppable, awesome. Making possible, fantastic. It is recreating me. Thank you so much, everyone, for participating wholly, fully, being a leader here. Awesome. Interactive,
GK, we are
energy,
55.
buddies, support, enthusiasm. Come on, guys. This is the chance to co-create. This is what the space stands for. A community. You're seeing a live example of a community bringing out communal values of our organization. This is what we all will master. So yes, there will be 5 core values, but sure, we will have another 5 for like a sub value. So we will take the top 10 values and integrate them in our conversations. We will design the program to make sure these values are percolated in everything we do and in who we are as super leaders and who you will be as leaders. And each of you are not a participant. Each of you will be leaders. Our batch of 40, the current batch of 40 is so strong, so powerful, so created and already on the route of creating their goals and journeys. It just takes consistency and commitment like you put it here. And with this next 3 months of being in this space, like for example, I have been in this space with Darshana from day 0 and Arun with them from day 0, and I see a huge difference in who I have been and how I have created efficiency and focus in my life. It was my prime goal. And what has that brought me? My fitness goals, everything.
GK, we have 3 minutes to go.
All right. So I think this is just growing big and large. So I think I'll end it in another 1 minute. You have 1 more minute to finish. And then Darshana, I'll hand over the stage to you to close. And
If you're done, please type done. If you want time, type not done. I think they're done. If you want time, just type time or not done. Perfect. So anybody wants time? I think GK, they are done. And we can have this exercise for the future values they want to, अभी ये तो ये इन्होंने जो देखा है. We can do another activity, but let us just, I think we can complete it now. Thank you so much, GK. It was fantastic. The way you created leadership is amazing. How many of you want to really be leaders in all aspects? And leader is not somebody who bosses, leader is not somebody who takes the whole, you can say credit, but the one who takes responsibility. Yes, Balbir ji, 30 seconds. Yes. You want to say something? Please unmute and go ahead.
Hey, me, you asked who want to be a leader. I say yes.
You want to be a leader? Type me in the chat. Jumping, willing and wanting, Balbir ji. You are
you are already a
super
leader. The
Yes.
way you have been participating, not missing a single day.
Absolutely. Okay, guys, 2 minutes to go. अभी मैं आपको एक जल्दी से रिमाइंडर देना चाह रही हूँ इस बारे में कि हम लोग आपके लिए एक स्पेशल कॉल रख रहे हैं, but this is not a together call. This is a one-on-one call. Maximum 2 or 3 people will be talking to us. So how many of you would want to take that opportunity? Quickly get in touch with your super leaders, with me, any super leader, and book your slot for Monday. Okay, Monday slot is open. We have just announced. So I'm sure that the slots will be booked. Book for yourself. Okay. And now I would want you guys to tell us what are you taking away from the session. 1 minute. Put it in the chat. Ranju, you want to say something?
Darshana, I want to say something.
Yes, Nidhi. Go ahead.
Actually, I'm that kind of person. I never share. And I am in this group from last 4 months. I was invited by Chandrika. Unfortunately, she left this group, but I am here. So my super leader is Gitanjali, and she supported me very well. And I can feel the changes. जब भी मैं थी, जब भी मैंने join किया था before 4 months, maybe मेरे बहुत छोटे छोटे goals मेरे complete हुए हैं, and now I'm moving forward to more my long term goal. And I'm feeling very much positive, and I have lot of confidence after joining this group, and I'm
Thank you,
very
thank
happy.
you.
And
Thank
now
you,
after
Let me
seeing
share
my
that
hus-
Nidhi has reduced her weight for
1 minute,
6
GK,
kilos,
GK,
6 kilos.
1 minute, GK, 1 minute, 12 बज गए हैं, मैं 3 मिनट का alignment लेती हूँ, extra 3 minutes, 12:03, we will be extending. If anybody wants to leave, you can leave. I have nothing to say, but 3 minutes we are extending. Yes, GK, please take this for 3 minutes.
And
Oh, no.
even my husband, after seeing me that I am doing everyday meditation, he also joined me with meditation. He is also doing with me. मैंने उनको नहीं बोला कि आप मेरे साथ करो, but मेरे को disturb मत करो. Then now he is also doing with me every day. That
Awesome.
7:30 visualization session, he is also attending, and I am very
Wow.
happy.
And Nidhi, to see your picture, that picture you sent with, you were looking so good, and you'd lost 6-7 kgs, which is brilliant. Like, and she's been like regular with fitness last session. Imagine. So Nidhi, you're going to join us and motivate all the people like a true leader will. Ranjudi, you wanted to say something. Ranjudi has been so instrumental behind the back, supporting all of us fantastically, taking sessions in technical and being a mentor to most of us. Yeah, Ranjudi.
So my major takeaway, as Darshana was saying, is this, that, it is giving a lot of clarity, first of all, to create your own goals if you have not thought about it, and to think that they are achievable. In the structure which has been so beautifully given, very well constructed structure, so anything is achievable if you follow the structure and with the buddy support and the super leader support. So that's my takeaway.
रंजू, मैं ये भी बताना चाहूंगी कि देखो ये ना एकदम तिनका है रिगार्ड्स टू व्हाट वी वांट टू अकम्प्लिश. आई अंडरस्टैंड, मगर आप सोचिए लोग 4-4, 10-10 साल से परस्यू नहीं कर पा रहे थे, अब करने लगे हैं. So for us to expect कि wow, this is such a beautiful space, and magic wand. Yes, we are magical beings, I agree, but फिर भी don't you think that patience is something that is going to give you all that you want and feeling accomplished already? Yeah. Thank you.
Darshana, to this,
Yeah.
I would add, it's not just patience, it is also the energy which you can be patient for years, but you are getting the energy to speed up the process.
Yes.
That's what I feel there.
So important, energy. Wow.
Because that energy is very, very rubbing on, it's very contagious, I would say.
And Ranju, we're also looking at integrity, energy है, integrity. एक चीजें जो आती है ना, now everybody stands in integrity, and in integrity, I'm going to declare this call complete. Book your slots for personalized coaching. जो नए आए हैं, आप लोगों के लिए ये भी opportunity available है. Those who have invited you, जिनको आप जानते हो, उनके साथ कांटेक्ट करिए और जल्दी से हम लोगों को आप मिलिए एंड आपके कंसर्न्स, आपके सवाल, आपके सपने हमारे साथ शेयर करिए. Thank you
I will
so
just
much.
take 1 minute to ask all the super leaders to share their numbers so that whoever you want to get in touch with, please do.
Okay, thank you so much. You can contact. These are the two numbers, GK and Darshana. Capture it quickly. Seema's also, and I would want to. Yeah, thank you. We declare this call complete. Thank you. Meet you next Sunday.